Hey guys, so today I have swatches of the Essie Valentine's Day collection for 2020, and that is the first time that I have said that out loud. There are 6 polishes here altogether. I found these on the Kohl's website, so I did pay full price for them. They do have that little special wrap around them that the Valentine's collection had last year. Again, I ordered these from Kohl's. Sometimes when you order polishes that have the special wrap on them, depending on where you order them, they don't always have the wrap. I know that I came across that last year with the Valentine's collection. So if you order them from the Kohl's website, at least mine did come with the wraps on them. The wraps are a little roughed up, but they are there. So I'm sure these will be popping up in other stores eventually, probably fairly soon. Valentine's Day is like not that far away, but I did find them in Kohl's. So 6 polishes here altogether, and I will get into the swatches. So the first polish is called Talk Sweet to Me, and this is a medium pink cream. This one is pretty opaque on that first coat. I still have cotton ball fuzz everywhere. This is not quite a one coater. I do still have some slight streaks. Really good formula on this one. So this one does cover completely in 2 coats, and we'll pretend that I didn't nick my middle finger there. This one does seem to dry just a little bit darker than it applies, and it does dry fairly shiny. So that is 2 coats of Talk Sweet to Me. The next polish is called Peace, Love, and Chocolate, and this is a shimmery metallic pink. So this one, not quite a one coater, but it is fairly opaque. There are some brush strokes through that metallic finish when it's wet, but those are very minor, and good formula on this one as well. So this one does cover completely in 2 coats. It does dry a little bit dull, so you will want top coat for that. And those brush strokes, those very slight brush strokes that are there when it's wet, do smooth out once it dries. Would you believe I put cuticle cream on like 4 swatches ago? My skin is so dry right now. So that is 2 coats of Peace, Love, and Chocolate. The next polish is called Surprise and Delight, and this is a red shimmery metallic. So this one, not fully opaque on that first coat, but it is a very bright, very intense metallic red. I can still see a little bit of my nail line through it, and good formula on this one. So this one does cover completely in 2 coats. I'm being pretty picky by putting the second coat on here. There is definitely some nail line showing, but it's very, very minor, and with the metallic finish that's in here, it makes it kind of hard to pick out unless you're really looking for it, but it does seem like it's getting a little bit darker on this second coat, so maybe there's still a point. So that is 2 coats of Surprise and Delight. The next polish is called Unwrap Me, and this is a purple shimmery metallic. This one covers really well on that first coat. I'm going to take a look at it and see if there's any nail line showing through that shimmer. Nope, none. This is a pretty solid one coater. I don't really see any streaks or light spots, and good formula on this one as well. So that is 1 coat of Unwrap Me. The next polish is called Be Choco-late, and this is a milk chocolate brown cream. So this one covers very evenly on that first coat. It is a little bit sheer still, and it will probably deepen with the second coat as well. And good formula on this one. So this one does cover completely in 2 coats, and you can see that second coat does deepen the color a bit as well. And you should always use top coat, but this one did dry fairly shiny. So that is 2 coats of Be Choco-late. And the last polish is called Love, Fate, Relationship, and this is a very, very deep purple, slightly reddish purple. So this one is a little bit squishy on that first coat. It has a little bit of a jelly property to it. Looking at it outside of the bottle, it's definitely more red and less purple than I thought it was, so I would go straight to burgundy to describe this color now. It's kind of where I was leaning in the beginning, but inside the bottle I just thought it was a little more purple than this. Good formula on this one. It should build up fine in 2 coats, but it definitely has that slightly jelly property to it. So this one does cover completely in 2 coats. You can see any unevenness in that color gets fixed with the second coat as well. There's something in there, some kind of debris. This does dry very shiny, probably due in part to that slight jelly finish that it had, but you should always wear top coat, and I'm pretty sure I just put that same debris that I pulled off of this nail onto this nail, and I don't care anymore. So that is 2 coats of Love, Fate, Relationship. So I'm actually kind of surprising myself by really liking Unwrap Me. When I first got the collection, I thought Peace, Love, and Chocolate was going to be my favorite because it's just a nice foil metallic pink. But once I got them on my nails and I swatched them, I realized that I don't see a lot of foil metallic purples, like dark purples like this. I was looking at the pink and it's pretty, but it's familiar, and this just like kind of stood out to me as not something that I see super often. So that makes it my favorite. So that is the Essie Valentine's Day collection for 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.